reproductive system enables humans to produce offspring. There are two types, male reproductive system and female reproductive system.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever moment of the day it may be for you. Excellent. Now, before we get straight to the matter at hand, a quick reminder to my dedicated learners. I advise you to subscribe on our channel so that you won't lose our future lessons. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated. Also, please like and share this video with your friends.
The human reproductive system enables humans to produce offspring. There are two types, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Let's explore the main parts and their functions, starting with the male reproductive system.
They produce sperm cells, which are called male gametes. They produce the male sex hormone testosterone, which develop male secondary sexual characteristics and help in sperm production. The scrotum, this is a sac that holds the testis and keeps the testis outside the body to maintain a lower temperature, about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature, which is optimum for sperm production. The epididymis, this is the epididymis. This one is a cold tube on the testis, which stores the sperm temporarily and allows the sperm to mature and gain the ability to swim. And then the vas deferens, which is the sperm duct. This is the sperm duct, as we can see here, right? This one is responsible for transporting sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. The sperm move through it during ejaculation. Seminal vesicle. This one is the seminal vesicle, which produces seminal fluid rich in fructose. The fructose provides energy for sperm and makes up the large part of the semen. Prostate, the prostate gland. Let me enlarge. This is the prostate gland. It adds a milk alkaline fluid to semen, which neutralizes acidity in the vagina, improves sperm movement and survival. Right, explaining the ejaculatory duct. This one carries the semen from the vas deferens and seminal vesicles. It passes semen into the urethra. The urethra, this is the urethra, which is a tube that carries urine from the bladder. Urine comes from the bladder and passes through the urethra out. Then the urethra also carries semen during ejaculation. The penis becomes erect during sexual intercourse, and it deposits the semen into the vagina during sexual intercourse and also allows urine to leave the body. So these are the male reproductive systems. The other part, the rectum, the pubic bone, as well as the bladder, they are not part of the male reproductive system, but I've labeled them for you to see where they are located. All right. So our next lesson is the female reproductive systems.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so for free so you'll never miss any of our future lessons. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can learn too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll personally attend to you. And don't forget to let me know which topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next lesson.